Alright, so yeah, this is my 03 A4 3-liter, and when I start her up, now I know that those two have to do the brakes and the light, but listen to how it throttles. When I give it some gas, and that shaking is not me. I have a pretty steady hand, but the car is idling really rough, and it's like periodic. Now I'll let you listen on the outside. Alright, so there's that. And then my temperature gauge, for some reason, periodically will work and then not work. Now she has 207,000 miles. I bought her at 205, right at almost 206,000 miles. I've done all the basic work. I've changed the oils, the spark plugs. I checked on the ignition coils, or the coil packs, and they were replaced on the warranty. I also heard I might have to check to make sure I got the updated versions, so I know about that. But my check engine light, which this is my first actual Audi. I had a Volkswagen before, so the whole center console was new to me. It's spitting out codes, and it's misfiring, as well as the EVAP is off, so I don't know.